My name is Tom O. I am the head of portfolio management for Dräger, based in the UK, and we're responsible for the design and manufacture of SCBAs. This is our PSS 5000, which is our, again, second new BA set we're launching this year. PSS 5000 is based on the platform for the PSS 7000, which is our top-of-the-range BA set that we launched in 2008. The difference between the 5000 and the 7000 is mainly in the backplate. The PSS for 7000 had a height adjustment facility. This PSS 5000 has a fixed backplate, fixed height backplate, and because of that is a lower cost solution for a customer. Special features in the harness, we have two options for the customer. We have the DS harness, which is a lightweight, durable, but still fire retardant Type 2 harness, which is cost effective and lightweight. What differentiates the PSS 5000 from the PSS 3000 is the ergonomic harness. We have a ergonomic waist adjustment with pull forward strap adjustments on the waist belt. We have very special buckles, easy adjusting buckles, and the harness material is very hard wearing. It is very water resistant, so it can be wiped down, could be hosed down. You don't need to put it in the washing machine, although the whole set can go in the washing machine. We have an ergonomic waist belt which swivels, which is very similar to the PSS 7000, but is much simpler and more cost effective. It supports our new Bodyguard 7000 electronic platform, electronic monitoring. We have a central power supply which is positioned within the backplate. So we don't have any external boxes or cables. It's all contained in the backplate. And together with the integrated hose routing for the hoses, we have a very snag-free, very streamlined breathing apparatus. This yellow flash here signifies that this set is capability for telemetry, which is a radio transmission of the information coming from the Bodyguard gauge. So we have a electronic digital pressure gauge, which is also a PAS device, distress signal unit. And this is communicating information through a radio receiver here. The Cerner unit on the backplate is PSS Merlin radio, which sends signals to a remote control station where the entry control officer can receive information about pressure, time remaining, and other things relating to the wearer of the breathing apparatus. So this is all powered by one power supply here. So we have the radio, the Bodyguard unit itself with one power supply. Here you can see this is a rechargeable battery pack which can be recharged in the fire truck. So we have a connection here within the fire appliance's own power supply, and this keeps the battery on charge. This means the benefit is that this is always ready, so when the fire brigade has to make an exercise, then the battery is always fully charged. This guarantees it's always ready for use. This is the Dräger PSS 5000, same platform as the PSS 5000 DS I just mentioned. This is the DP harness. This is a high-level professional harness. Distinguishing features, we have steel buckles now instead of the plastic buckles on the shoulder adjustment and the pull-forward waist adjustment. We have a special synthetic rubber-coated harness material, which is very impervious to liquids and contaminants and does not absorb any moisture. And because of that, we don't increase the weight of the BA when it's absorbing water. The electronics platform is the same as the PSS 5000, the Bodyguard 7000 central electronics platform with the pressure sensor, power supply module. One of the features of the PSS 5000 is the hoses are fully integrated into the backplate through the channels in the backplate, and these hoses can be switched over. So it is possible to have the Bodyguard on the right-hand side and the lung demand valve on the left-hand side. And the backplate and harness is designed to be compatible either way. This is a new feature. This is the only set that we have that has that feature. It is also possible to have the Bodyguard and the LDV on either side together or the other side together. It's a very flexible system. One of our newer features is the cylinder quick connect, which is a quick connection to the pressure reducer from the cylinder valve. So we don't need a hand wheel to connect. It's a quick push, click, and the cylinder is connected. To disconnect is a turn and push, and it disconnects. This saves the firefighter time when they're changing the cylinders, so we can have a very quick turnaround time. And we timed it typically 10 seconds to change one cylinder using this system. This new SCBA, brand new, is PSS 3000, which is very lightweight, new SCBA. New features are a new harness material, which is very comfortable, very wear resistant, and is impervious to liquids and contamination. This is the main features of this harness. Very lightweight, very strong. We also have a new backplate, brand new backplate, which features integrated hoses. The medium pressure and high pressure hoses are inside the backplate, so you don't have any snagging, no loose cables, no wires. Features the same pneumatic system as all the other Dräger products. Same lung demand valve, and is approved with all of the usual Dräger FPS 7000 face mask variants in Europe. This is our most cost-effective set, PSS 3000, especially for volunteer fire services where high frequency of use is not necessary.